Hello everyone, Jonas here, and if you are here right now, you have probably at some point wanted to do a role-playing game, an RPG game. And I'll be showing you how to do that in a series here. I've only made one thing so far, and that is the player sprite. So now, this does require that you know a little bit about gamemaker. You don't have to be a pro, because I will be explaining everything that I do, pretty much. But just that you know pretty much what an object is, what a sprite is, what a create event is, and so on and so on. So we'll do object underscore player and put the sprite for the player right here. So now we have to do create, and inside of the create we won't be doing that too much right now. Today we'll just be doing a step event here, and we'll go into control and put some code in there because we want to have some movement. So now in here, what we want to do is, in case you didn't know, the step event is like the game loop, where in most programming languages it would be something like having a lot of variables here, and then down here you would have if true, or if 1 is equal to 1, something that will always happen. Then in here it will have everything in here, and then at the bottom it'll just go back to the top here. But what we want to have in here is to constantly check if we are trying to move around. So we'll be using the let's see, what will we be using? We'll be using the arrow keys. So one is to do keyboard underscore check, and then bk underscore up. So what this does is that it says if keyboard check, like if we if we press the button up on the keyboard, do whatever inside of these curly brackets right here. So that would be, let's say, that would be y minus equal 5. And then we would do, and I'm not doing it all out here because we will be doing more about this later on when we get to shooting a bow and stuff, since we will not be using the arrow key. I want to try and make this game only keyboard related. So we'll do keyboard, oh sorry, no, that's great. Keyboard underscore check, we'll do vk underscore down, and we'll have y plus equal 5. Since when you go up and the y will fall, since 0, 0 is in the top left corner. So now we want to do keyboard underscore check vk underscore, let's say, left, would be x minus equal to 5, or minus 5, and then just one more, and I think you have guessed it, check, and then vk underscore right. There we go. That'll be x plus equal 5. So now pretty much it constantly checks, well, are we pressing some of these buttons? And if we are, it'll do whatever is in here. And yeah, we'll do quite a lot more about this later on. But let's just test this for now. We'll create a room, put the player in here, click F5 in order to check, and for some reason this does not work. It's really weird. Try it one more time. Okay, for some reason this will not work. We only have this step event in here, and it should be checking here. Let's try and do if. Yeah, I forgot about the if statement. Yeah, if and else statements are pretty much, yeah, you can see we have we have 8 different movements. We can go left, up, down, left, right, and we can also go um, like yeah, like that. But see here, if the keyboard check is equal to up, do the y minus equal 5. So let's see, how much minutes have we been using? Only 5. I want to use at least 7 minutes. So we could do a little bit more. We could do create event, and we'll have some code in here as well, and that'll be our variables. So what I want in here is, we of course want the ones that we always will have, which would be global dot HP, and we'll start off with 100, and global dot mana 100, and let's see, yeah, that's it for now. So let's see, we have global dot HP. The reason that I do global variables here is so that it can be accessed from other objects. So for example, if we rank a potion or something like that, it would go in here and delete it, or decrease the mana or HP, or increase it. And well, health points inside of the enemies will do non-global variables. So we also want strength is equal to, let's say we start off with 10, magic equal 10, let's see, defense 10, and well, let's do that for now. So let's see. Yep, so now we have those variables, and 7 minutes have now passed, but in the next tutorial we will be doing some simple game user interface / GUI. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video, which I will probably make and upload tonight.